Want to know how to unlike the like post on Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to unlike the like post on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Threads profile. Now tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see multiple options. Tap on the like option. Furthermore, you will need to tap on the red heart button in order to unlike the like post on Threads app. So this is how you can unlike the like post on Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.